Hey guys, welcome to a YouTube video on how to start a YouTube channel from your phone and run it from your phone, because that is how I used to run my YouTube channel back when I did vlogs, completely from my phone. So here we go. The apps you will need are InShot, which is a video editing app, Fonto, which will help you with creating your thumbnails, and TubeBuddy and YouTube Studio, which are both great channels management apps. I recommend them both. You should have both of them. They're both available on mobile and on PC, so be sure to look into those. So we're going to do an in-depth thing on InShot real quick. InShot is a video editing app that allows you to trim, cut in all sorts of different ways. You can add overlays, there's tons of different stickers you can buy, filters. It has pretty much any feature you could possibly need to create awesome edits on your videos. I even edit on this app to this day. Sometimes I'll screen record my YouTube videos and then make outtakes videos using this app on my phone, so it's a great app. Now on to Fonto for thumbnail creation, another app I even still use to this day, even though I now do YouTube through my computer, but it's a great app for making your thumbnails. Fonto allows you to do text overlays on your photos and create thumbnails. You can also create tons of other things with it. It's great for 1,000 different things. You can create all sorts of different formats of pictures, different sizes. You can even make your channel art through it if you wanted to. And it's available on iPhone and Android, so regardless of what you have for a phone, you can use it, and it works on outdated and new phones, so it's a great app. Now, onto the apps for managing your channel. TubeBuddy and YouTube Studio, which are both channel management apps. Great apps. I recommend them both highly. YouTube Studio, which is available on iPhone and Android as well and works on any of them. It's a great channel management app once again. It allows you to check your views, comments, and more. It's great for looking at your comments though, responding to them, engagement, and seeing how everything's going. You can check how many views you're getting, how long people are staying in your videos. So great app, recommend it, and it's completely free, no in-app purchases, 100%. Now on to TubeBuddy, which is available on iPhone and Android as well as your PC. It's an in-depth channel management. It's like YouTube Studio on steroids. It allows you to look at your video views, your thumbnails, custom URLs to get people directed right to your video, find out how many people are clicking on these URLs, and much more. It's also available in free and paid version, and so feel free to check that out if that interests you. But anyways guys, those are the apps you will need to get your YouTube channel started from your iPhone or Android. Once again, InShot, Fonto, TubeBuddy, and YouTube Studio. They're all available on the App Store and Google Play, so you can go download those, get them right on your phone. So I hope this has been wicked helpful to you guys, and I hope it will help you achieve your YouTube dreams from your phone if you're stuck in a situation that doesn't allow you to use a computer or whatever it may be. So anyways guys, I do hope you did enjoy this video. Please sure to leave a like rating and subscribe below should you not have done so already. And also be sure to click that notification bell next to the subscribe button. That way you know every single time I upload a video. It's a big change they had. So also when you're running your YouTube channel, remember to remind people to subscribe and click that notification bell so every single time you guys upload. And I'll see you guys in the next video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. If you watch any of my old vlogs, you can see how the quality looks. And that's it. So adios.